Oh, where are they going? Blythe. Watch him. Hey, get out on the ground, you're gonna get bit. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Turn around. Get up, still. Still. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Don't phase him. Don't. All right. Turn around. Good girl. Shut that thing off. Good girl. Get your hands on your back. Hey, go hands on. Somebody go hands on. Somebody go hands on.
Please, call your dog.
Good girl. Good. Okay, hold on. Watch your leg there. I'm going to take her off and spin her to the right, okay?
Pull her off. It's okay.
Jetta,
I'm not fighting.
Jetta, dog's off. Good girl.
I need a second set.
No, you're good. Thank you. Good girl. Load. Good girl. Fly. Yeah, no problem. You guys got fire coming?
Yeah. If this was my area, this was in Sac County, I'd be a little more.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah, Canada 13 is truck keys.
That was awesome, man.
Yeah.
I love watch the dog go.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't want to have to do it, but it's like the guy's just freaking making us do it. So
Shit in the car?
yeah. Air just told me to come over and find his keys, so I don't know if you guys want them or.
So, what are you guys? Are you guys working anything with the shooting? Or
This is all Sac PD.
Yeah,
I don't think that they had an actual shooting. I think they had reports of a shooting.
Okay.
I don't know if I don't know what his deal is. I know that he went.
Involved, but he was in the area.
Yeah, they got behind him. He went pursuit,
Okay.
and then they went surveillance mode, and
Okay.
then here we are.
Jack 45 S4.
My part's empty.
Before we start.